back. So today I have an unusual unboxing for you guys to check out this. This one is the Dr. Martens ADRIAN in black. Color is black color, and this size is size 8. It is retail for $130, and then tax on this is $11.38. So the total damage is $141.38, and come with the free UPS second day air shipping. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this and show you guys the shoes. So I believe this is the return shipping label. And here is the item number and then item description right here. Wow, the box is kind of damaged already, so let's give you guys a 360 view of the box. Dr. Martens Airway with bouncing soles, and you got two of the hole punch right here, left and then right hand side. Go and then check out the size label. And this one is the standard fit and polished smooth. There's a quality control, and then there's a stamp right here as well. Wow, look at these shoes. And it says the original. There's two of this tassel right here. It's a shoes tree. Got this paper bar right here. There's another shoes tree in there. And then there's a QC quality control 14 right there sticker. Got the debossed Dr. Marten logo. And on the side is a size label right here. And then check out the other side. And then there's a sole print on the bottom of the box. So this side is missing the paper bar right here. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.